Senator Joel may 12 billion funds daw? Fake news ito. Nagsimula ito sa isang news article na wala namang credible source. Ni hindi nga ito pinatulan ng mga batikang news outlets. Hindi rin ito sinonfirm ng DPWH at ibang agencies.
For the record, Your Honor, I don't recall anything that came from you to propose any flood control project.
I'd like to add that during my time also, I would also like to make the same statement as Secretary that Senator Joel never approached me for anything like that. So I just like that, to add that to the record, that even when I was DPWH Secretary, that applies.
Ayon kay SP Cheese,
Did you or did you not introduce
No. 150 billion? No, of course not. Nung una ang sinabi, ako lang, sunod sinama si Senator Villanueva, sunod buong Senado na raw yun. Bagaman alam kong demolition job ito. Ang masakit, dinamay pa si Senator Joe.
Kung tuman ang sinasabi ng politiko, lahat ba ng project sa Bulacan ay kay Senjol lang? Hindi ba't may congressman, mayor at governor? Hindi ba sila nagtatrabaho? Unfair sa kanila. Imbento lang ito ng politiko, pinatulan naman ng sandamakmak na vloggers. Bakit kaya nila ginawa ng kwento si Senjol?